Welcome back to another video. The question, will self-driving trucks replace truck drivers, has sparked intense debate in the transportation industry, pitting technological innovation against human livelihoods. As autonomous vehicles advance rapidly, companies like Tesla, Waymo, and Aurora are testing self-driving trucks on highways, promising efficiency, reduced costs, and fewer accidents. But is this the end of the road for the 3.5 million truck drivers in the US alone? From one angle, proponents argue that automation will revolutionize logistics, slashing fuel consumption by up to 10% through optimized routes and constant operation without fatigue. Critics, however, highlight the irreplaceable human judgment in unpredictable scenarios. This review explores the best arguments from multiple perspectives, weighing if trucks will truly go driverless or if humans remain essential. Let's dive into the technological angle first, where optimism runs high. From the technological standpoint, the best review comes from experts at MIT and Carnegie Mellon, who assert that Level 4, autonomy, where trucks operate without human intervention in specific conditions, is already viable on highways. Sensors like LiDAR, radar, and cameras enable 360-degree awareness, far surpassing human vision. Companies report millions of miles driven with minimal incidents. And AI, algorithms learn from data to handle weather or traffic better than tired drivers. Yet, the angle's counterpoint is rural roads or construction zones, where unpredictability demands human intuition. A study by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration praises the tech for reducing rear-end collisions by 40%, but warns of software glitches. Overall, this angle leans toward replacement in long-haul trucking, but not universally, as hybrids like remote monitoring might. Economically, the strongest pro-replacement argument is cost savings. The American Trucking Associations estimate that labor accounts for 40% of trucking expenses. Self-driving trucks could operate 24/7, boosting productivity by 50%. Firms like Uber Freight predict a $100 billion annual savings globally, making goods cheaper for consumers. From this angle, reviews in Forbes highlight how automation could address the driver shortage, with 80,000 vacancies in the US alone. On the flip side, the economic con is massive job loss. Oxford Economics forecasts up to 2 million displacements by 2030, exacerbating inequality in rural areas. Retraining programs are touted as solutions, but skeptics in The Economist argue they're insufficient. This angle suggests partial replacement, with humans shifting to oversight roles. Balancing efficiency with safety provides the most compelling angle for replacement advocates. Human error causes 94% of truck accidents, per the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration, often from fatigue or distraction. Self-driving trucks, with reaction times in milliseconds, could cut fatalities by 30%, as per Rand Corporation reviews. Real-world tests show fewer crashes per mile than human-driven vehicles. However, the best counter-review from skeptics, like those in Wired, points to high-profile failures, such as Tesla's autopilot incidents, questioning AI in edge cases like black ice or Animal Crossings. Regulatory bodies emphasize that while tech excels in predictability, humans handle ambiguity better. This angle concludes that safety gains favor autonomy on interstates, but full replacement hinges on proving reliability in all conditions, potentially saving thousands of lives. The social angle's top review focuses on human impact, with labor unions like the Teamsters arguing that replacement would devastate communities. Truck driving is a middle-class lifeline for many without college degrees, supporting families in flyover states. A Brookings Institution report warns of economic ripple effects, like declining diner and motel revenues along routes. Proponents counter with universal basic income proposals or new jobs in AI, maintenance, as reviewed in Harvard Business Review. Yet, the human element, camaraderie on the road, quick decisions in crises, can't be replicated. This perspective urges a phased transition, with policies for reskilling, suggesting drivers won't vanish, but evolve into fleet managers. The angle underscores that technology must serve society, not supplant. Regulations form a critical angle, with the best reviews from legal experts noting that the U.S. Department of Transportation is accelerating approvals for autonomous testing. Europe's stricter rules, per EU reports, demand ethical AI that prioritizes human safety. Ethically, who bears liability in accidents? Manufacturers or algorithms? Reviews in Nature argue for global standards to prevent a patchwork of laws hindering adoption. Opponents highlight privacy concerns from constant data collection. This angle predicts replacement will accelerate once regulations catch up. But ethical dilemmas like programming moral choices, e.g., swerve to save pedestrians, could delay it. Ultimately, balanced policies could ensure safe integration without full. Looking ahead, the hybrid angle offers the most nuanced review. Self-driving trucks won't fully replace drivers, but augment them. McKinsey forecasts 45% of long-haul miles autonomous by 2030, with humans handling last-mile delivery. Innovations, like platooning, trucks following closely to save fuel, require minimal intervention. Reviews from industry insiders suggest a driverless light model, where remote operators intervene via 5G. Challenges remain, like cybersecurity risks, but optimism prevails. This angle concludes that while technology advances, human oversight ensures adaptability, creating a symbiotic future rather than out. In summing up, will self-driving trucks replace truck drivers? The best overall review is a qualified maybe. Technological and economic angles push for yes. Safety and regulatory ones add caveats, while social perspectives demand caution. Full replacement might occur on highways, but humans will persist in complex roles. The industry must prioritize ethical transitions to avoid societal backlash. As AI evolves, the road ahead promises efficiency, but requires steering toward inclusive progress. This debate isn't just about machines, it's about redefining work in an... That's the haul for today, Titans. Will robots take the wheel? Or will the open road still belong to us? Hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, and join the convoy. Next mile marker drops Friday. Keep the shiny side up. Road Titans, roll on.